Control number 2487-A, please tell me something about yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Jovi Kalamang at 36 years old. I'm married with 2 children, 1 boy, 1 girl. And family, we are 9 the family, 4 brothers and 5 sisters. I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something about your working experience.
Ma'am, I worked before in Kuwait. I served 3 persons.
Consisting of?
Consisting of 2 adult and 1 newborn baby, ma'am.
So your duties and responsibilities?
Ma'am, my duties and responsibilities were after I wake up in the morning, I prepare breakfast for my mom and sir. After that, I work around in the house.
Like, what you're doing?
Like washing the clothes, car washing, ma'am. And after that, take good care of the baby, ma'am.
So how do you take good care of the baby?
By preparing breakfast, ma'am. And then take a bath. And after that, feeding, ma'am, bathing, change diaper, assist to sleep, singing nursery rhymes, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ma'am, I want to work in Hong Kong for high salary and to help my family financial, ma'am.
So do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
Ma'am, I don't know, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
So your other skills you can do?
My other skills I will do, ma'am, is to clean, ironing, gardening, washing clothes, sewing, baking, housekeeping, ma'am.
Oh, so what are the good characteristics of a domestic helper?
Ma'am, hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, patient, trustworthy, and loving child, ma'am.
Lastly, your message to your future employer.
Ma'am, sir, if you ever choose me as a domestic helper, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and more, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.